Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen, channel name Cuban Beauty. If you're new, consider hitting like and subscribe and join the Cuban Beauty familia. I have a video for y'all, but before we get into that video, I just want to tell you a little bit about this video. I got a new makeup box subscription, because I'm working now. I'm not going to be able to put out videos as often as I used to. So now I'm going to pretty much stick to mainly unboxings, hopefully. There will be a tutorial here and there, get ready with me here and there, even when I have the time, and live streams when I have the time. But without further ado, and continuing all this blabber blabber, let's move on with the video. I have a new beauty box subscription for y'all. It is Allure. This is the December box of the Allure beauty box. If you are new, please consider hitting like and subscribe and joining the Cuban Beauty familia. The Allure beauty box is $15 a month, and you get numerous, I think it's 4 to 5 trial-sized, full-size products. I'm not 100% certain. Don't quote me. I don't remember. But I did get the December box, which was curated with, it was curated by Nikki Tutorials from YouTube. If you're not familiar with Nikki Tutorials, I'll put her description of her channel. I'll put her channel description down in the description box below. So without further ado, let's go through this box. Okay, guys. So you take the lid off the box, and you have this fabulous little pamphlet with none other than beautiful Nikki Tutorials. I think she's a beautiful woman. I think she's so pretty. So very, very pretty. And inside this pamphlet, it tells you everything, what everything is, how much everything is, and all that good stuff. So together, we're going to go through that. Okay, for starters, we got the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelette. There's one in here. Just one. It is a sample of what you get when you buy the big bag with the little ones in it. This would be great to throw in your makeup bag if you're going somewhere, say, overnight, and you're coming home the next day, and you can just take it, wipe off your makeup, do your makeup again the next day, and voila, you're done. You're good to go. That's about the only thing that's good for. Can't reuse it twice, so it is what it is. Next thing are the Bliss Holographic Foil Eye Masks. They say, I got this. Deep puffs and brightens. 2 single-use eye masks. And there is 2 of them right there. Says these holographic eye masks refresh and awaken eyes as their potent serum, a unique vegetable-derived combo of moisturizers plus smoothing hexapeptide soothes and helps visibly reduce puffiness and dark circles. Forgive me, my ring light's really bright in my face. So you got 2 of these in there. So I got 2 of those. So that's pretty cool. We'll see what those retail for right now. That retails for $16 for the Real Peel Brighten. I'm sorry, that's the tube, but I didn't get the tube. I got the eye masks. They're $4 for a pack of 2 eye masks. So they're $4 a piece. Each of these is $4. Let's make that a little easier. Okay, next thing is, I know this is an extra. This is the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley is a very good face product. It is 1/4 of an ounce, 7.5 milliliters. For those of you that use the metric system, and it is a sleeping night oil. I did put this on my hand earlier, but I'll show you again because my other video went to hell. It is like a algae green color, a very pretty blue green. If you know me and you know me well, blue is my favorite color, so this is really cool. I put it on my hand earlier, and it really does kind of just, it doesn't stay green on your hand. It just kind of melts away. The scent is kind of hard to understand, kind of hard to explain. It kind of smells like, I don't know. To me, it smells like a crushed up almond almost. I don't know. But not that sweet almond scent. I don't know. It's like a cross between your grandma's musky perfume plus like a stale nut. I don't know. It's just weird. I don't know. I don't like the scent. It's not the most pleasant odor, but it's not the worst either. So I'm just going to kind of take that off my hands because it just kind of makes me feel kind of weird in my nose. Smell kind of weird in my nose. We're going to move on. And that one retail. Oh, that was an extra, so I don't know what it retailed for. I know that because this is the 6th time doing this video. Okay, the next thing I got was a NYX Lingerie Lippy in Cabaret Show. And that is a NYX Lingerie Matte Lippy, and I will show you that. I do have it on, as I said. I did this video 6 times, so I know what it looks like. And there it is on my hand. It is a beautiful pinkish mauve color. I love the way it went on. It's so smooth. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The next thing, again, Nikki Tutorials helped do this box, so kudos to Nikki. She did team up with Ofra a while back and did the Ofra highlighter. And this is in the highlighter this color is called Everglow. And this is a full size, and I'm going to swatch this for you. And I'll put that right above the, that's mixing all three, by the way, right there. See, it's a beautiful highlight. Now, the NYX Lippy retailed for $6.99 at Ulta. The Ofra Highlighter by Nikki Tutorials in the Everglow from Ofra Cosmetics retails for $35. Not bad. This thing just completely excited me. It's the Juvia's Place Custom Eyeshadow Palette. From my understanding, this is not the size of a regular one. This is not a sample size either. And this is a cruelty-free product, as is Nikki Tutorials makeup, because she does all cruelty-free. And NYX is cruelty-free as well, just FYI. Juvia's Place, the Nubian eyeshadow palette, it retails for $20. This is supposed to be their I think there's like 9 pans in a palette. I don't know. I think that's right. As I said, I don't own a Juvia's palette of my own. This is the first one I've ever had. There are three shimmers, 3 mattes, and they are all just beautiful. I will swatch them again for you. I'll just put them on my fingertips because they don't show up so great on my hands. They're the 3 colors from the 3 top colors, and they're just gorgeous. So we're just going to clean those off my hands so I can show you the other 3. They're a beautiful palette. I love it. I mean, I think it's beautiful. As I said again, 3 times I've done this. Now, the Juvia's palette, the palettes are gorgeous. They have fabulous colors. And from my understanding, the color is so richly saturating that it's just gorgeous. It doesn't go away. Blends beautifully, lasts forever. The bottom 3, well, I say forever, within reason. You know, you don't want to have makeup on forever. Eventually, you need to take it off. And those are the 3 bottom ones. Very shimmery. Very, very pretty. So that one. I like that one too. That's a beautiful little palette. Eyeshadow palette. I, of course, am working, but I don't wear makeup to work. I get up at 5:30 every morning, or between 5 and 5:30. I don't feel like putting on makeup at 5 o'clock in the morning. Sorry. And in my line of work, I'm just not going to do it. My hair goes up in a ponytail. I go to work, smile, and do my thing. Don't like it? Kiss my butt. No, not really. But I just don't do it. Architect by LA Splash Cosmetics. This is a waterproof slim eyeliner. I saw the brown and thought it was a brown eyeliner, but I was wrong. It's not. It is a black eyeliner, and I will show you. It is a felt tip eyeliner, but it is so slim of a line that it's almost hard to believe that it even paints on. I mean, look at that. That's tiny. But it's so pretty, and it's done. That's that. And that is my entire box, and that one retailed for $14 at lasplashcosmetics.com. So, that is all my stuff in my Allure Beauty box. And that is my first Allure Beauty box that I've ever gotten. Pardon me. From now on, I will be showcasing the following subscription boxes as I go. And that will be BoxyCharm, Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one, the $10 bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which comes in January 2nd, Mint Mongoose Black, which y'all have seen, and of course Allure. And that's all I have right now is Allure, BoxyCharm, Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and Mint Mongoose Black, and Ear Fleek. I'm sorry, I forgot, an Ear Fleek. I knew there was another one there. I can't remember what it was. And Ear Fleek. Those are the ones that I have currently. I will not be unboxing BoxyCharm for the month of December for the simple fact that because of my job transitioning, I lost one bank card and I had to move on to another bank because I was having trouble with my old bank, so I moved on to a different bank. So therefore, I had to redo all my numbers and everything, and I completely forgot to do BoxyCharms. That's nobody's fault, but yours truly. So yeah, so there will not be any BoxyCharm this month, and I'm so sorry. I know. Boo. Boo. Let's hear it. Boo. What was I thinking? It's obvious I wasn't. It was a mistake. Sorry. So anyway, so yeah, so now you know what all I'll be unboxing from now on. I am thinking of still adding another box because I don't feel like I have enough. because it'll be very hard for me to do get ready with me and live streams like I used to before I started working. I want to do more unboxings now for y'all, so I'm gonna see what I can add and go from there. So if y'all have any box ideas that y'all want to see, link them down in the description below. Let me know. I can't read your mind. You can't read mine. So let me know down in the description below. We'll discuss it, okay? Y'all have a very safe and loving New Year's Eve. If you're going to drink, don't drive. Get a Lyft. Get an Uber. Be safe. If not for you, for everybody on the road. Otherwise, you'll have a blessed evening. Love you all. Please take care. Muchos besos. I'll see y'all New Year's Day. I'll try to do a New Year's Day live stream. We'll see how I feel between now and then. If I'm tired and hungover from New Year's Eve, well, sorry. I doubt that I will be, but you never know. We'll see. But anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Love y'all. Besos.